Yeah, just a quick one.
Quick
Have
one.
you heard about Walmart employees are having tension with Walmart robots?
No, I haven't seen this.
So I think this happened in the States where a couple Walmart stores are employing these 6 feet robots, and they're responsible for checking items on the aisles, cleaning the floors and stuff. And
Wow.
apparently, a lot of employees don't like them because these robots are being named like real names, like Freddy. And this one's kind of funny. Like it actually, some of them startle them because the robots actually come from behind it and like just freak them out. They're so quiet. And the fact that, it's automated. But apparently this automation, it's doing really well for these Walmart stores. So
I think this type of thing is cool to me. I don't work in the store, and this robot is not creeping up on me. But man, that's efficient, I guess. If it's it must be working. I mean, these have to be expensive. Walmart's not putting them in if they're not going to improve the situation or work efficiently. But then that said, up there, employees are saying generally they feel uneasy and aren't sure how to act around the robots, which they say are glitchy. Well, wouldn't you do that though, Will? If you were a worker in there, you'd be like, man, that's just a glitchy robot. Like that robot can't replace me.
what are you doing, Freddy?
I mean, look, Will, we talked about this before. We're all getting replaced. I'm gonna be Lil Michaela soon on this show
With the skirt at Coachella.
Yeah, I'm gonna be way better looking, way better to look at. Like, who wants to look at this? Who wants to listen to this? You know what I mean? I could have a sensual voice, a pleasing appearance, and I'll be so smart. The AI version of me, well, it won't be me, but like the AI replacement for me is gonna be so smart. It's gonna have a customized message and delivery and accent for each one. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I wouldn't even be here.
You, God, no.
I'll be long gone.
You'll be where Jack's sitting right now.
Yeah.
Sure, bud. Anyway, yeah, it's creepy. It's going to be a transition period. What do you think about the shape of it, Will? Are you cool with that?
Yeah, I don't mind this.
I don't.
To be
He
honest,
looks honestly. It looks kind of friendly to me the way they did
Yeah.
it. Like, so for those that are just listening to this, it's a stubby little looking guy. Looks like a floor cleaner, sort of. Looks like a bucket, and he's got an arm that goes up. Now, apparently, he's 6 feet tall because he's got to scan the whole shelf.
Yep.
But you know what? I've seen scarier robots. I've mentioned this in the past. Boston Dynamics, all those wild creatures are way scarier than this guy. This guy, what's he going to do? He just scans the shelf. Leave him alone. This guy, on the other hand.
Apparently, you could buy one of these very soon.
Okay, fine. Let's do it. What is his name again? Spot. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. He doesn't care about you, Will. And
Look at this
moves.
action shot.
That's Atlas. Yeah, they've done some really cool ones. Actually, if you click on that picture to the left over there, evolution of Boston Dynamics, yeah, you can see Atlas, Spot, Big Dog. Big Dog is the scariest still. Big Dog by far the scariest. The original Big Dog clip came out with the audio buzzing like I'm pretty sure that's what they based that one episode of Black Mirror on. It had to be, oh, look how nasty Big Dog is. Look how nasty Big Dog is. Whoo-wee! Yeah. He doesn't care about you, Will. Guy like you. You know what he does to a guy like you?
Oh,
Yeah, you don't want to know. You don't want to
in
know.
the woods? Oh,
In the woods, he takes a guy like you. He does, he does things we can't mention on here. Guy like him, guy like you. So. Yeah, that's this clip. He just has to fast forward. He tries to kick it. This is the moment. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, you want to kick me? Oh, you didn't realize. I know I'm heavy, but I also am smart. and I'll fix myself up. Now, keep in mind, look at, can't even slip. This big dog, this clip now, aged. This is from 2010. They were doing Big Dog in 2010. Like I don't remember it being that long ago, but goes to show you how far it's come. Click on the Boston Dynamics logo there, and yeah, right there. And let's see the latest, because we're in 2019, man. Like, I think they actually made it a little more friendly now from where they were with Spot. Yeah, this is, who is this? Spot Mini? What do they call him? Spot Power? I don't know.
Power.
Anyway, he's yellow now, looks shorter, bit friendlier, but I'm telling you, the way those movements come, I mean, you can just, oh, wow. That video just did a turn. That video just did a 180. How about that twist at the end? When it's just they're just pulling a giant truck, a bunch of Spot Minis pulling a giant truck. What a twist. Anyway, it's all happening. It's going down. Go look at the Atlas on the far right, 34 seconds there. Yeah, look. No, one more over. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. You don't even run that well, Will.
It's like a brisk jog.
You don't even run like that.
Right beside the neighborhood.
No, you don't even run like that, Will. This guy looks like he's he's a regular cross-country type of guy. Ivy League. He's got the outfit on. Oh, what? A log? No big deal. See ya. Yeah, he just jumped over a log. So, I mean, it's incredible. It's wonderful. What a time to be alive, Will. They almost got us out of here without it. What a time to be alive. Boston Dynamics, robots, Walmart, scanning.